Recently, I posted a video about how the concept of lean manufacturing got turned into a management fad and spread throughout organizations, and this general concept of lean everything. Let's look at that in some greater depth, because Agile is susceptible to the same kind of management fad and shitification that lean was subject to. Lean manufacturing means you go through your manufacturing processes and you find all of the places where parts and work in progress accumulates. The reason you want to find those places is that all of those parts and all of that work in progress costs money. It also increases your risk of stranding that money in parts if part of your manufacturing process changes. So lean manufacturing is very hard-headed, very hard-nosed, rather, let me get my metaphors straight, a very hard-nosed, financially sound practice of going into a manufacturing process and squeezing out stranded capital. This got turned into like a lean mindset and lean this and lean that, and that's all bullshit. Don't let Agile fall into the same trap of getting turned into a management fad and bullshit, because your coders have a nose for bullshit, and they're going to stop believing that Agile is a good practice if you spread it to places where it doesn't belong.